Hello, my name's Allison Montoya, and I chose Jack F. Macy Intermediate for my SWOT analysis for Education 590. I currently work at Macy Intermediate as a SDC teacher for math and science. Macy Intermediate can be found in Monterey Park and is one of 6 intermediate schools within the Montebello Unified School District. Macy currently provides instruction in the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade in all academic settings. Part of Macy's mission statement is that they promote rigor, relevance, and relationships, where they continually refine their organization so that all learners have the opportunity to think critically, establish relationships, collaborate, and communicate effectively as the school prepares each student for success in college, career, and beyond. The principal's message states that the school serves every student every day with integrity, respect, teamwork, and compassion. The message also states that school educators continue to work on strategies to promote avid focused note-taking, claim evidence and reasoning, and highly prioritizes the well-being of the whole child. The staff also is to begin training in positive behavior interventions and support, also known as PBIS, and really values the ideology of mindfulness. In closing, the principal's message states that it promises to promote a climate that promotes safety, a high-quality education, and the social well-being of every student. The demographics of Macy in 2019-2020 school year were 83.7% Hispanic or Latino, 11% Asian, 1.4% Filipino, 1.7% white, 0.3% American Indian or Alaska Native, 0.7% African American, 1% 2 or more races, 16.6% English language learners, students with disabilities 15.5%, foster youth 0.1%, homeless 5.10% with a total enrollment of 705 students. 78% of those demographics are identified as socioeconomically disadvantaged. Some of the strengths at Macy are the strong sense of community, strong leadership, English Learner Advisory Committee, Macy Green Space, strong parent involvement, and the after-school program ACEs. Parent involvement is a key component in the success of Macy Intermediate. Through various parent involvement groups such as School Site Council, PTA, English Learner Advisory Council, Title I Committee, and more, parents are definitely encouraged to actively participate in the decision-making bodies at Macy. In addition, Macy Intermediate hosts several opportunities to meet with parents to review student academic progress, discuss the needs of middle school students, and strengthen parent involvement in all programs being offered. Macy is committed to providing ample opportunities for parents to learn about resources in helping their children with Common Core standards, technology, school curriculum, project-based learning, A through G college requirements, and linking parents to resources in the community. Macy truly believes in working together with both students and parents to create a successful learning experience for all stakeholders. Macy's school community is committed to providing rich learning experience for all students. All teaching staff have received data teams training through district-wide partnerships with leadership and learning. Teachers collaborate on a weekly basis to review student data and to develop engaging curriculum with meaningful, common, formative assessments. Teachers also receive ongoing professional development opportunities to help provide strategic support. Additionally, Macy offers students a wide range of activities to get involved. Some examples are student government, associated student body, leadership, rocketry, communications, photography, garden, fishing club, Chinese club, yearbook, cross country, chess club, drama, and of course the Green Space Club. Some weaknesses that I found were in discipline and climate for learning deficits, COVID-19 focused trainings, lack of technical knowledge amongst teachers and staff, low assessment scores, and large class sizes with a ratio of 30:1. Discipline and climate for learning was a weakness because there is not much follow through with consequences or follow through with maintaining rules. COVID-19 focused trainings have taken a forefront due to the pandemic, where curriculum-based trainings have taken a back seat. Because Macy has such great retention for their teachers, most teachers have been there for many years, even many decades. Due to that, the lack of technical knowledge amongst the teachers and staff is at an all-time high, which was very, very detrimental to the success of the school during distance learning where everything was on an online platform. The low assessment scores are based on the last 3 school years where goals were not met, but Macy seems to be right below the bar of average for the state. Opportunities. Some opportunities I found are the district resources during COVID, district resources within the school year, community and family events, parent workshops on technology and mental health. On the website, there are many links to community events and resources that not only Macy offers, but also the district. There's definitely a strong sense of community, and it's great to see all the opportunities that families have, especially the parent workshops on technology and mental health. Some threats that pose are COVID-19, declining enrollment, societal concerns, rapid change in technology, and the declining number of administrators since the 2019-2020 school year. In the 2019-20 school year, there was 6 staffed administrators at Macy Intermediate. Currently, that number has dropped to 2. Currently, there is no school counselor due to both counselors finding new jobs within new districts. They are trying to hire somebody as soon as possible, but have had little success in finding the right candidate. The rapid change in technology is due to Macy switching different platforms for parent communication within the last 3 years. They have gone from School Loop to Google Classroom and now offer Schoology. This has caused quite some confusion amongst teachers and parents, thus resulting in the declining enrollment of students. The societal concerns are based on the fact that 78% of the student population identifies as socioeconomically disadvantaged families. This can cause threats in not being able to afford adequate resources that the students need in order to succeed. And of course, COVID-19 poses a threat, especially being back in person and limited resources for personal protective equipment for each student. Some recommendations are for more technology trainings for teachers and staff. Like I said, due to the fact that Macy has retained their teachers for many, many, many years, some of the teachers and staff members are not too tech savvy, and this has definitely hurt the students' population because the students are very tech savvy and come from a generation of just knowing how to operate technology devices. Another recommendation I see is for smaller class sizes. I feel that having a ratio of 30-1 students might not sound that bad, but it is very hard on the teachers, and something needs to be done in order to get smaller class sizes. Down below to the right, you'll see a picture of the Macy green space. Currently, it is there and it is flourishing and beautiful. However, right now it is not open to students due to the recommendations by the CDC to maintain a social distance of 6 feet. Hopefully this will be able to open soon. Here are my references, and that is it. Thank you so much.